Hi, Net.
Hi, Topher.
Hi, Topher. Hi, everyone. Ako si Nick, tito ni Net, misis ko, tita ni Reggie, ni
Tito.
Net. Pasensya na kung hindi namin napaunlakan ng inyong paanyaya. At bagamat hindi kami makarating, lubusan kaming nagagalak sa inyong pagtanggap ng banal na sakramento ng kasal. At kami sumusuporta sa inyong pag-iisang dibdib. Net, alam namin na mabait ka at madasalin mula pa ng pagkabata. And we're proud of you. Okay? Naniniwala kami na ganun din si Topher. Siguradong natutuwa ngayon ang lolo at lola mo. Okay? Mahal na mahal ka ng lolo at lola mo, alam mo yun. Net, Topher, may God bless your marriage. Always pray for wisdom, guidance, understanding, and divine intervention to help you be successful as a couple. Net, laging sinasabi ng lolo mo sa akin, be grateful for all your blessings no matter how little. Gusto ko rin sabihin sa iyo. Okay? We're all praying for you and hope to see you soon. We love you, Net. We love you, Topher. Pray together and take good care of each other.
Hi, Net. Hi, Topher. This is your Tita Reggie. Best wishes and congratulations. I wish you a wonderful married life ahead. And may God bless you. I hope in the near future we can have a chance to meet and have bonding as a family. We love you. Bye.
Bye.
Hi Ned, this is your Uncle John taking the video, and congratulations to you and to Topher. May God bless you both. Okay?
Nandito kami sa bahay ng ninong Jan mo. Salamat sa kanya at siya ang gumagawa ng paraan para ma-record namin itong message namin at ma-upload. At paano mo si
Thank
Matthew?
you, Ninong John.
Thank.
This is Matthew.
This is Matthew.
Gising kanina yan, malakas ang baterya pero napagod na. Nakatulog na. Nakabihis kanina yan.
Okay. Congrats again.
Any
Bye.
more
Bye.
message?
Hello, for
Net,
minutes
Topher,
as only.
salamat pala na kinuha nyo kaming sponsor ng Tita Reggie mo. Natutuwa kami. Okay.
Okay. Bye.
Bye. Ned,
Thank you, Ninong
Topher.
Jan.
Congrats again. See you soon.
See you.
Bye.
Tawag kayo. O mag-email.
Okay.
At saka padala nyo kami ng picture.
Okay. Tsaka balitaan nyo kami kung meron na kayong supling.